Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered if there's a secret to firing up your metabolism? You know, that internal engine that burns calories all day long. Well, the good news is, you don't need any magic pills or extreme diets. The secret might just be hiding in your kitchen. Today, we're diving into some amazing everyday foods that can naturally help boost your metabolism. So grab a notepad and let's get cooking. First up, let's talk about something spicy. Chili peppers contain a compound called capsaicin, which gives them their heat. This heat can actually give your metabolism a temporary kickstart, helping you burn a few extra calories. So, don't be afraid to add a little sprinkle of cayenne pepper or some fresh chilies to your meals. It adds flavor and a metabolic bonus. Next on our list are protein-packed powerhouses like lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, and legumes. Your body uses more energy to digest protein compared to fats and carbs. This is known as the thermic effect of food. So including a good source of protein with every meal not only keeps you feeling full and satisfied, but also helps keep your metabolic rate humming along nicely. Think a grilled chicken salad for lunch or some Greek yogurt for a snack. Don't forget about your daily cup of coffee or tea. The caffeine in coffee and the catechins in green tea are both known to give your metabolism a gentle nudge. They can stimulate your nervous system and encourage your body to burn more fat for energy. So, enjoying your morning brew can be more than just a ritual. It's a small, simple step to support your metabolic health. Just be mindful of the sugar and cream you add. Finally, let's talk about water. It sounds simple, but staying hydrated is crucial. Your metabolism can slow down even if you're just mildly dehydrated. Drinking plenty of water, especially cold water, can help. Your body has to work to warm the water up to body temperature, which burns a small number of calories in the process. Every little bit counts. So there you have it. 4 simple, natural ways to support your metabolism through the foods you eat. It's all about making small, consistent choices that add up over time. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more wellness tips. We'll see you in the next one.